Hey friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Pranay aka Thomas from Relevant Search Media, and in today's video we are going to talk about what is digital marketing, but we are going to do in more details. So without wasting any time, let's get to it. Digital marketing is essentially any marketing that takes place online. It involves using digital channels like search engines, social medias, websites, email, and even apps to connect with current and potential customers. Unlike traditional marketing, which relies on physical media like print or billboards, digital marketing reaches people through screens like desktop, tablet, mobile, and laptops. So, why digital marketing? The short answer is that's where your people are. Over 5 billion people use the internet today. When someone is looking for a product or service, they are likely starting with an online search. Digital marketing allows businesses to be where their customers are, and to reach a massive targeted audience, you need to do digital marketing. Now, let's look at some of the key components that make up digital marketing. These are the tools and techniques that businesses use to reach their customers. Number 1. Search engine optimization, also known as SEO. Number 2. Content marketing. Number 3. Social media marketing. For example, using Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms to reach out to your customers. Number 4. Email marketing. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Number 6. Paid marketing. So, we will talk about these topics in more details going further. Let's talk about our first topic, search engine optimization, aka SEO. Now, SEO is all about optimizing your website to rank higher in search results. When someone searches for something related to your business, SEO helps them find you. The second topic is content marketing. Now, content marketing focuses on creating valuable content like blogs, videos, infographics, or other things to educate and engage your audience. The next one coming up is social media marketing. I know everybody is all about social media marketing, right? Now, social media marketing is about connecting with your audience on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. It's great for building brand awareness and driving more engagement to your business. Next one, email marketing. Email marketing is one of the best ways to nurture relationships with your audience. Sending valuable content or exclusive offers directly to their inbox helps keep them engaged. The next one coming up is paid advertisement. Paid ads allows you to reach a specific audience by paying for ads on search engines or social media platforms. This is useful if you want faster results and a broader reach. The next one, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where you earn a commission by promoting other companies, products, or services. Affiliates use their websites, social media, or email to drive traffic to a product and get rewarded when someone makes a purchase through their unique link. It's a win-win model that benefits both the affiliates and the businesses. Now, to sum this all up, we have discussed about SEO, search engine optimization. We have discussed about paid advertisement. We have discussed about social media, affiliate marketing, and content marketing as well. Now, why do you need to do this? Because these marketing aspects are very beneficial for you. You can target specific groups based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Now, compared to traditional advertisement, digital marketing can be more affordable and gives you a high return on your investment. Now, you can track every aspect of a campaign, allowing you to measure that what works for you. It's just as you go. So, that's a quick overview of digital marketing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. We'll be covering more topics in the future, so stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching, and remember, whether you're a new digital marketing person or looking to level up, we're here to help. So see you in the next video.